Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add files to Google Drive, whether you want to store important documents, photos, or projects. Google Drive makes it easy to access them from any device. So, let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not logged in, sign in using your Google account credentials. This will take you to the main Google Drive interface where all your files are stored. To upload files, look for the plus new button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select File Upload if you want to upload a single file, or Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder of files. Once you select File Upload or Folder Upload, a file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the location on your computer where your files are saved. Select the files you want to upload by clicking on them, and then click Open. Your files will begin uploading. Once the upload starts, you'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you're uploading large files or many at once, this may take some time, so be patient. You can upload multiple files at once by selecting them all before clicking Open. After the upload completes, your files will appear in My Drive. To keep your drive organized, you can create a folder. Right-click anywhere in your drive and select New Folder, name it accordingly, and move your files into it by clicking and dragging or right-clicking on the files and selecting Move to. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files to Google Drive. From here, you can share your files, access them from any device, or organize them further. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.